Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to print whatnot labels on thermal printer. Firstly, open the whatnot seller portal on your computer and go to the Orders tab, then select the order that needs a shipping label. Download your shipping label and click Generate Shipping Label. Once it's ready, hit Download and the label is usually provided as a PDF file. Now make sure your thermal printer is installed and selected as your default printer. Most whatnot labels are 4:6 size, which fits for thermal printers perfectly. Now open the downloaded PDF. In the printer settings, choose your thermal printer. Set the paper size to 4:6 and select Fit to Page or 100% scale to avoid cutting off barcodes. Now click Print and check that the label comes out clearly. Make sure the barcode is sharp and easy to scan. Finally, peel and stick the label directly onto the package, making sure it's flat and wrinkle-free. If the label prints sideways, rotate the file before printing and always test print on label to confirm alignment, and keep printer drivers updated for the smoothest experience. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.